hope that you enjoyed our
Jacob,
story
don't eat your
until
fingers,
now.
darling.
But don't be sorry. There's still lots of things for us to do, and we all want to play with you. So come along and visit space. It really is a wondrous place. And here's where you join in the fun. Look, our space spark has begun.
Jacob, stop eating your fingers.
You want to see the colored lights? You do? Okay. We all want to see the colored lights.
Well, all right. You know what to do.
Make Sunny laugh.
That's right.
No problem. I can make Sunny laugh the hardest. No, I can make Sunny laugh the hardest. I know. Let's have a contest. Great idea. And we'll be able to tell how hard she laughs by the size of the colored lights she makes. Yes. Colored lights. Shimmering colored lights. Make me want to shake and shimmy too. My turn. Shimmy, shake my bum. Shimmy, shake my bum. My laugh lights seem to be about the same size as yours, Silva. Do you think the laugh lights are the same? Yeah.
Jacob,
So too. Let's go
don't do
again.
that with your fingers,
We'll
please.
start you first this time.
Put your hand down.
Colored lights. Shimmering colored lights. They make me want to shake and shimmy, shimmy too.
Reuben, leave Hetty alone. Jacob, put your hand down, please.
This one will start. My turn.
Thank you.
Shimmy, shimmy, shake, shake.
Reuben, leave Hetty alone.
Shimmy like a snake.
Reuben, leave Hetty alone.
Still look the same to me. Are they the same?
No, Reuben.
That's what I thought. It's a tie. Wait a minute. I have an idea.
Jacob, put your finger down, please.
They make me want to shake and shimmy, shimmy too.
Because I don't want you putting your fingers in your mouth.